2, 3, 4. We're gonna learn to be happy, having fun with Mr. Oopy.
Hey kids, thank you for joining Mr. Oopy. We are going to be unwrapping presents today. Let's see what we have in store. It's a big one. Oh, and a heavy as well. Let's shake this one. Oh, that seems pretty easy to guess. Do you know what it is? Let's open up. Wow. Look at this. It's a wooden on the farm train set. Check that out. There are going to be 70 pieces we have to put together. So let's do this. I wonder what's inside the box. It says farm animals, trees, buildings, and so much more. We've got a lot to do. Okay, look what we have. We've got all our train tracks, as you can see. And then we'll be able to connect them like so. Great. We have our bridge. There we are. More bridges. All our train tracks. Let's just get them all out. Well, we have our farm animals in here as well, so we can open this one up. We've got our horse, trees, some blocks, little farmhouse. What's this one? Oh, it's a chicken, cow. What else is in the box? Here are these things. Some cars, tractors. Train, tracks, carriage, and we have our instruction sheet. Okay, we have a lot to do. There's our beautiful farm with our train. Let's go for a ride. Oh, let's put our carriage on. Let's stop and have a look at all our animals. There's our cow. We have a pig. Oink, oink. Sheep. Meh. And we have a horse. We have a chicken. Oh, and we have our ute. And we can see some veggies on the back of the ute. There we are. We've got our trees. Great. What a wonderful farm train set! Well, that's it for today, my friends. I'm going to continue enjoying my farm. Until next time, we will be doing more unwrapping of presents. Stay tuned. Until next time, bye for now. I might just continue playing with my train set on my farm.
Thanks for watching. Remember, like, subscribe, share.